What's up everybody, Tiffany Outdoors here. Today we're going to set up tubs for isopods. Stay tuned. There's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the farmer.
On a U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, baby. What?
You guys have already seen this rack. I've already got everything set up. I got all my little vivarium making supplies here. Got that. I'm still need to order another shelf for this rack. But anyway, the isopod bins are going to be down here at the bottom. I'm going to be working on this tub right here. There are some isopods that are coming. So here's my bin here. First thing I want to do is drill some holes, some air ventilation holes on the sides, and then I'm going to hot glue some screen to those holes. So let me go ahead and get that started. So I drilled holes on both sides. I need to clean it up a little bit. There we go. So I drilled holes on both sides. Got some on this side, some on this side. And what I'm going to do is I've already cut out my 2 pieces of screen. This is basically window screen that you can get from Walmart on a roll for $5.88 for a big roll of it. And I'm just going to glue this. I don't know if I want to glue it to the inside or the outside. It probably doesn't matter. I think I'll glue it to the outside. Yeah. I'm going to use some hot glue and glue this to the outside on both sides. And then I'm going to put my substrate in here. And then I'm going to put in some leaves and bark and hides and things. So let me go ahead and hot glue this and I'll be right back. Squish it and move it around a little bit so it'll come through the screen. Press it from the opposite side, and then I'm going to go around with some glue on top, a small bead on top to help seal that in. Okay, I'll let that dry, and then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. My glue has dried, so now I'm going to go outside and fill this up with substrate. Well, not fill it up, probably about 2/3 of the way up with substrate, and that's on my porch. So I'm going to go do that, and I'll be right back. Got my bin just about filled up, a little more than halfway. If I need to add more, I can always do that. And now I've got my my palm bark that I got. This stuff was rinsed off thoroughly with dechlorinated water, and then it was baked in an oven, 200 degrees for 35 minutes or so to sterilize it. And remember when I said I was going to add leaves? I did the same thing with the leaves. Put those in the oven, sterilized them, and now I'm going to add some of those in. Got to crunch them up. And mix it in a little bit. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to mix them in the soil or in my bins as I make them. And then throw some on top. And the substrate is moist. It's not completely dry. It's pretty moist. I think that's enough. There. And magnolia pod for good luck. And then this cocoa bark, throw that on that side, throw one on this side. Done. And now my bin is ready. Now my bin's ready. So once my isopods get here, all I have to do is dump them right in. No fuss, no muss. Everything is already set up and ready for them. And yes, I can't wait till they come. Now, if you guys are wondering what the substrate is, I'll link that video in the description below. And you can make your own, and you can make your own mix and all of that. And I'm also wanting to collect more leaves. So I'll be doing that also. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.